Well, alright guys, so today we will be doing 99 nights. We'll be exploring the forest in Animal Company, aka 99 Nights in the Forest.
Yes,
Yeah.
indeed. But let's
Let's go.
go.
Oh my. Oh, there's my boomerang from earlier.
What the? I'm gonna hit you with it again.
What the fluff?
Oh my god. Skadoosh! Flint on steel!
What is that?
What is that
sound?
beeping?
Oh.
No!
Let's go.
Oh my.
Campfire. Wait, can we kill? Yo! Yo!
Put it in the fire right now. Don't worry, I'm a brave boy. What is that? What is that? What is that? No, actually.
No.
Do not. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Chill.
Can I grab one?
Where'd he go?
What?